Hi everyone, I'm Sai Sharanya Channa, one of the fellow of Sparks Foundation. Today I want to discuss about my task force, that is EDA on global terrorism. Has a problem statement. Has a security or defense analyst try to find out the hot zones of the terrorism. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm imported all the necessary libraries. Then I'm reading the data and renaming the column names according to my convenience and displaying the first 5 rows of data by using df.head and then checking for the missing values. There are so many missing values and to get details of variables and data types of the column, I'm using df.info so that I get the information of the data types. And by using country, city, region, year, month, group, most attack types, as these are the useful insights to us. And by looking that, I was found that most attacks country based on country is according to country, Iraq is having high terror attacks in city-wise, Bangladesh, region-wise, Middle East and North Africa, month-wise, fifth month, and year is 2014. Group is Thailand, Taliban. Most attack type is bombing. By this chart, we can say that terror attacks per country. Most terrorism attacks are happen in Iraq when compared to other countries. Region-wise, Middle East and North Africa is having high terrorist attacks. Most active organization. By this chart, we can say that Taliban is having most active terrorist organization when compared to other organizations, and most of the methods of the type of attacks, mostly bombing and explosion is having high used in the terrorism attacks. Terrorist activities by region every year from 1970 to 2010. Region wise, we are having high terror attacks in 2010 when compared to other years. Number of terrorist attacks each year for every year. These are the by looking this chart, 2014 is having high terrorist attacks. These are the worst terror attacks. uh, Top 40 worst terror attacks by casualties. Top 40 worst terror attacks in history from 1982 to 2016. Has in heat map, cool colors are having low values, I mean less terrorist attacks, and uh, warm color is having high terrorist attacks. So country is a useful insight to us. So we are counting the values of that. Top countries affected. Country wise, we top country affected is Iraq when compared to other one. Now we are visualizing the top 4 countries that have suffered by using group and casualties are greater than 50. So we are having a null value. So finding the null values and then dropping those null values which are not useful insights to us, that are longitude, latitude, summary, motive, target, city are not necessary. So we are dropping them. So most affected target are people. So private citizens and property are the most affected targets in terrorism. This is about change in region per year after declaration of the war on the terror 2001 and 2017. And this is about Western versus Eastern European. This chart shows that Russian and Iraq versus rest of Eastern European. And this is all about extended attacks. Number of extended attacks and number of unextended